In this tutorial, I will show you how to animate lip sync in Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. Once you are on the home page, click Create a Design and select Video to start a new project. When the editor opens, go to the Elements tab on the left side. In the search bar, type Video Background and choose a background that fits your scene. Click it and it will appear on your canvas. Next, return to the Elements tab and search for person talking or talking video. Choose a clip where the person's mouth is clearly moving. Click the video to add it to your canvas and resize it so the person becomes the main focus of the scene. Select the video and click Edit Video. If needed, use the Background Remover tool to remove the background so the character blends naturally with your scene. Now go to the Uploads tab and upload your voiceover or audio file. After uploading, drag the audio onto the timeline at the bottom of the editor. Play the video and adjust the audio position until the speech matches the mouth movements of the person. Preview the animation to make sure the timing looks natural. Once everything looks good, download the project as an MP4 video and your lip sync animation will be ready.